breath, eyes closed, and deep breath out. Again, couple of times more, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Beautiful. Continue with your breath. Try to notice your body, how you're feeling with every breath. And we will breathe one last time here again. Long, deep breath in. And long, deep breath out. Beautiful. Slowly open your eyes, everyone. And I see there are like you are sitting together with your partners or your relatives. So when needed, you will have to move away and you will have to do the movement. So make sure you have enough space to do all that. Okay? All right. All right, everyone. Hands on your heart, please. Your palms touching each other like this. Now you're going to pick up your arms, keep your hands pressed together like this, and press them really hard. You should feel that pressure in your hands and in your arms first. Yeah, keep pressing hard. And don't loosen that grip, okay? Take your hands up, breathe in as you pick up your arms. And breathe out, bring your hands back on your chest. Keep your hands, yeah, if your hands are loose, it's just going to be felt in your shoulders. But if you really press your hands well and keep them pressed this way, and then pick up your arms, you will feel it in your wrist, arms, upper arms, and shoulders. So it depends on where you want it, okay? So press your hands, press, press, and slowly breathe in, pick up your hands. Take them as high as you can. Breathe out. Bring your hands back on your heart. Can we do that 5 times, everyone? Breathing in. And breathing out. Do you like music with the class? Yes, no? Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Very slow movement. The slower you go, the better. Breathe in. And breathe out. Beautiful. One last time, everyone. Slowly breathe in. And breathe out. Great. Very nice. Roll your shoulders. And let's begin to swing the arms. And the other way around, switch the direction. Nice, very good. And shake your arms. Shake your arms. Wonderful. Start with the upper body and slowly we will start moving down towards our feet. Okay, so I'm going to start with your head and neck first. You are going to pick up your chin when you will breathe in, and you will bring your chin down and try to touch your chest, or there is a clavicle bone here. There are 2 bones and there is a little notch in between. Feel it, everyone. Feel it with your finger. There are these 2 bones. Everyone has those 2 collarbones. We all have collarbones, right? And there is a little groove in between this collarbone. So try to bring your chin here as much as you can, okay, when you breathe out. So everyone, rest your hands, take a breath in, pick up your chin, breathe out, bring your chin down on your chest. Breathing in. Again, this is a very slow movement. This is not a competition, so take it very, very slowly. Take your breathe in, take your head back, and breathe out, bring your chin down. Now, when you're making this movement, your all muscles inside your neck, front and back and on the sides are working and they get stretched. So you just enjoy the movement and take it very slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. One last time, breathe in and out. Bring your head back to the center, look in front. Now, as if you're talking to someone on your right side, you will only turn your head and look to the right. Bring your head back to the center. Breathe out, turn your head to the left. And then breathe in, bring your head back to the center. So breathing in will always be here. Breathing out to the right, come back, breathe in. Breathing out to the left, come back, breathe in. Okay? So 3 times. One on each side is considered 1 time. So breathing out to your right, breathing in center, breathing out to your left, breathe in center. Nice. Continue doing that, please. Let me watch all of you. See how you're doing. Breathing in will be in the center, please. Very nice. And breathing out on the sides. Slow movement. Beautiful. One last. Great. And slowly bring it back to your center. Everyone got that? Good. Okay, coming down towards your shoulders and your upper chest. This is what we will do. You are going to keep your right hand on the left shoulder. I hope you all are sitting up straight. Your left hand on the right shoulder. Now you are kind of pressing your shoulders down with your hands. Now, as you inhale, as you breathe in, you will pick up your elbows and take them towards your forehead, like this. And breathing out, you will bring your arms down. Now, this is going to work on your shoulders and on the shoulder bones. Those are 2 shoulder bones behind your body. Okay? All right, let's keep moving. Breathing in and out. Beautiful. Hold on to your shoulders, not your arms. Your hands are here. This makes it tougher. Breathing in and out. Take them as high as you can, your arms, and down. Wonderful. Keep moving, everyone. Don't stop. Keep moving. Beautiful. All right, one last time. Breathing in and breathing out. Great. Now I bring my hands and hold my opposite elbows. Your arms will be here in front of you. I'm going to keep a little low so I can see you and you can see me. Yes. Now I want you to see, this is how you will keep your arms. So first I want you to see what we have to do. Everyone bring your arms down and watch this. So if I hold my arms like this, I'm going to only move my arms to the right. I will not turn to the right. So you will not turn your body to the right. Only your arms will go to the right. You will keep looking forward towards me. And then bring your arms back. This has to be a very slow movement because it works on your shoulder bones and shoulder joint directly. Very slow. Breathing in center. Don't turn your body. Your body is looking forward. Only the arms go to the side and then come back, breathing in. So we are not swinging like this. It is a very slow movement to the right, center, slow movement to the left. Okay, we are all going to do this together. So you are going to watch me and do it. We will all go to the right first. Hold on to your elbows. Slide your arms to the right. Don't turn your body, don't turn your head. Breathing in center. Breathing out to your left. Don't turn your chest, don't turn your shoulders. Breathing in center. Breathing out to the right. Very nice. As much as you can go. Breathing in center. Breathing out to the left. And breathing in center. Beautiful. Roll your arms again, very slowly. See, we are in the first week of New Year's, and I only see one person smiling. Everybody is so serious about it. I don't know why. So, yes, that's better now. I feel comfortable now. Okay. All right. We will come down a little bit into our bodies. So we are going to take the arms up. Bring them down. Take your arms forward. Palms facing each other. Now, as you move your right arm, please watch me first. Don't move, just watch me. I'm going to show you this. As you move your one arm, you're going to turn your body and keep looking towards that hand and take your gaze with your hand and then bring it back. You will only move one arm. We will start with the right one and you will keep your eyes on the right hand, and wherever your hand goes, you are going to move, take your eyes with your hand. Okay? So hands in front. Let's all start together. Right hand, please. Right arm. Keep breathing. And breathe out. Bring it back. Only one arm. We are not moving both arms. Only one arm. Let's try with the left side. Left arm. Breathing in. And breathing out. I should be able to see one arm looking towards me, everyone. Yes. Let's try that one more time. Right side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Very nice. Left side. Breathing in. Look back. Look towards your left hand. And breathing out. Bring it back. Don't bring your arms down yet. Right side. Breathing in. Look back towards your right hand, everyone. Breathing out back. Breathing in left side. Go to the side, look to the left. Keep your right arm pointing towards me. Beautiful. Bring it back. We still have 2 more to go. So don't keep your arms down. Breathing in, right side. And breathing out. Left side, breathing in. Look back, and out. Wonderful. One last, right side, breathing in and out. Left side, breathing in, look back and out and down. Wonderful. Roll your shoulders, everyone. Move your arms. Beautiful. Now roll your shoulders the other way around and switch your arms. Is everyone okay? Who is tired? Good. Nobody's tired. All right. Okay, let's go down a little bit now towards your belly and your lower chest. We will pick up both arms again. Breathing in, take your both arms up. Now bring your right hand down on the side of your chair. You will keep your left hand pointing up towards the ceiling and make sure you're very well balanced on your chair. Your feet are on the ground. And you are going to try to touch these fingers to the ground. On the side. On the side. Bend to the side. Bend to the side, not forward. You are not bending forward. I can see you. No cheating. You are going to bend to the side like this. Go down as much as you can. Stretch your body. Keep breathing. Let me see. Please don't come back. Don't come back. Stay there. Stay there. Bend to the side. I'm just coming back so I can see all of you, how you're doing. Great. Keep breathing, okay? Bend to the side. Is everyone feeling the stretch on the left side of the body? Yes? No? Give me a thumbs up. Good. And slowly come back. Both arms up. Now we will bring the left arm down. Keep your right arm up. And your left fingers will touch the ground. Bend to the side. Don't bend forward. Your feet are on the ground. Stretch down. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Gently come back. Arms in front, interlace fingers. Turn your palms towards me and stretch forward. Bring your head between your arms. Like this. Head between your arms. No, don't come back until I asked you to come back. Just stay there. Head between your arms. Your hands pressed towards the screen of your computer. Yes. And bring it back. Awesome. We are going to repeat this movement again 2 more times. So be ready. Arms up. Right hand down. We are not bending forward. Remember that. The rule is to bend to the side. Look up this time. Look towards your left hand. If you have any issues with your head and neck, don't look up. Just keep looking forward, or you can also look down. Keep bending down. I'm going to ask you when to come back. I want to see all of you how you are doing. Bend to the side, everyone. Go down. Try to touch the floor if you can. You don't have to. Beautiful. Look up towards your left hand. Nobody is smiling. Beautiful. Come back very slowly. Let's go to the left side. Left arm down. And go down with your left hand. Look up towards your right hand. Gently come back. Arms in front, interlace your fingers, palms turn towards knee, and head between your arms. Press, relax. Take your arms up. We will try this one last time. You all are doing great. Right hand down. Bend to the side. You will find it is getting easier now. And look up to your right hand, to your left hand, sorry. Coming back up. Taking your left hand down. Bend to the side. Look towards your right hand. And gently return. Arms in front. Interlace your fingers. Turn your palms forward. And bring your head between your arms. And slowly relax. Roll your shoulders. Shake your arms. Wonderful. So again, feet on the floor, everyone. We are going down a little bit now towards the waist. So I'm going to ask you to, we will all move into a twist now. So keep your right hand behind your chair, like this. Let me move to the side and show you how this looks like. So if I'm sitting like this, I'm going to move to the right side. So I will place my arm here and my left hand will be, I can hold the chair with my left hand like this. Like this. And you will look to the right. Talk to somebody on the right. Your right hand behind your chair. Your left hand, you can hold the chair or you can just keep it on your right thigh. Beautiful. Now come back and we will do the same on the left side. Left hand behind and your right hand, you can hold the chair. Stay there, keep breathing, keep breathing. Beautiful, come back. And now this time it's going to be a little different. Okay, same twist, but we will do it differently. So right side again, right hand behind the chair. Keep your left hand on the right side of the chair, hold it, and you will not look in front. You will look to the side, look to the right. Beautiful. And bring it back. Left hand on the chair, right hand hold the left side of the chair and look to your left. And slowly come back. Beautiful, nice. Now I want you to find some space to stretch your legs. So adjust yourself, everyone. Can everyone see me? Give me a thumbs up. Good. So everyone is Settle with the chair, away from the chair, please. Don't lean back. This is not allowed. Okay, good. So first, we will keep our hands on our legs. And I want you to watch this first, see how I'm doing, and then we will all start together. Don't do it yet, okay? So when I breathe in, I'm going to take my belly forward like this. And when I breathe out, I will take my back towards the chair like this. Breathing in and breathing out. Got that? Anybody has any confusion about it? Give me thumbs up if you got that. Good. So you stay away from the back of the chair, come forward, feet on the floor, breathing in, bring your belly forward, and you can look up if you want. Breathing out, take your belly back towards the chair. And we keep moving like this. Let's move like this for about 5 times. Let me see all of you, how you're doing. Keep moving, everyone. Breathing in, bring your belly forward. Breathing out, take your back towards the chair. Not the head. We are not moving the head. The idea is to exercise your back, your spine. So it's like this, and then like this, and like this. Keep moving. You should move the middle part of your body, which is your spine. Keep moving. Stay away from the back of the chair, please. Mr. RKK. Yes, move forward, sir, on the chair. Your back is with the chair. No, watch this, sir. Turn towards the camera. Keep moving, everyone. Don't stop. I'm just going to see all of you how you're doing. Please remember, it is your back which is moving more than your head. Great. So it's like this, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Bring your arms forward, everyone, like this. Now use your back only. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Keep moving. Breathing in, only the back. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice. Beautiful. 2 more times. Keep moving. Move the back. Breathing in and breathing out. Wonderful. Beautiful. And let's come to a stop here, everyone. Okay. Now, this is something we are going to work with our legs now. So can you see my legs here? Am I visible to you? Yes? No? Okay, good. So stay away from the chair, please. You're not leaning back, so stay away from the chair. And pick up your right leg. Pick up your right leg, everyone. So just like me, I want you to turn down your camera so I can see if you're doing it the right way. Turn down your cameras if you can. Pick up your right leg. Bring it down. Keep your back straight. Pick up your left leg. Bring it down. Right leg up and down. Left leg up and down. Right leg up. And you will keep it folded. You will not stretch it, but you will move the entire leg in circles like this. Keep it folded just like me and move the entire leg. Make big circles. Bring them up. Take it down. Make circles with your knee. Yes, very nice. And let's switch the other way around. This way. Switch the direction. Go slow. Beautiful. And put your legs down, please. Nice. Let's take the left side similarly. Left leg up. Keep it folded. You will move the entire leg in circles. Make big circles. Bring your knee up. Take it down. Bring your knee up. Take it to the side and down. And switch the other way around. And down. Great, beautiful. You all have started smiling, so that means you like it. Okay, going to the lower body again. Now this is going to be this way. Your legs will be a little away from each other. A little away from each other. Yes. And you are going to bend forward. Slide your hands down towards your feet, like this. And try to bring your chest on top of your thighs. Okay? Like this. And when you come to your maximum limit, you are just going to hang your head. Okay, wherever you are. For everyone, it's going to be different. So the distance is different for everyone. Try that, everyone, and let me watch you from here. Go down with your chest and try to keep your chest on top of your thighs. Hang your arms down, hang your head down. And don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. You're not coming up. It's a resting position. You will like it. Your back will like it. Very nice. Now slowly slide your hands up and come back to your seated position. Beautiful. Let's try that one more time. Breathing out, you will slide your hands down. Take your chest towards your legs. Stretch your back. Wonderful. Stay there. Hand your head, hand your arms. And continue breathing. Slowly as you breathe in, you will rise, slide your arms up and come back. Beautiful. One last time, just for me, okay? Breathing out, again, stretch your back. Go down. Go down, everyone. Let your hands stay where they want to stay, maybe on your legs, on your feet. Keep breathing. Wonderful. 5 more seconds there. Stay there for 5 more seconds. Hand your head. Beautiful. Coming back. Slide your arms up and come back to your seated position. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So now we are going to take this a little. Is everyone able to get some space around their chair? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So your feet will be a little away from each other, like this. Feet away from each other. Take your feet away from each other and come to the edge of your chair. Walk to the edge of your chair, please. You are not leaning back. Now put your right arm on your thigh like this. Very nice. And take your left arm up and look towards your left hand. Keep breathing. Take 5 breaths there. Slowly bring your left arm down and come to the seated position. Let's try this on the left side. So left arm on your thigh. Take a breath in, take your right arm up and turn your head, look towards your right hand. Take 5 breaths. Slowly bring it back and rest your chest again on your thighs just like we did before and take a forward bend. Go down, hand your head, hand your arms. This is a resting position. Take 5 breaths again in this position. Allow your hand and head to rest. Hang them down. Beautiful. And slowly come back to seated. Now tell me everyone, can you stand up on the side of your chair? Is it possible for you? Give me a thumbs up if you can. Can you? Okay, let's stand. So you are going to stand on the right side of your chair, wherever you are. You can move the chair or you can move yourself. So right side of the chair. Here, like this. Let me come closer. Okay. Stay a little away from the chair, please. Not too close. So this is not allowed. Stay a little away from the chair. Great, everyone. Is there anyone who cannot stand on the chair? Can see that. Okay. So you will pick up are you on the right side of the chair, everyone? Beautiful. So you will pick up your left leg high up and bring your right arm to the side like this. And look forward, breathe. This chair is for your support. Now, if you want, you can let go the chair too. So if you like, you can let go the chair and stand like this on one foot. You can also bring your hands on your heart if you want. Or you can bring one hand on your heart and one hand can find support on the chair. Keep breathing, everyone. Take few breaths here. And slowly bring your foot down. Great. Now going to the left side of the chair. So you will be moving to the left side of the chair. A little away from the chair. Again, pick up your right leg, goes up. You can hold on to the chair for your support and take your arm to the side. If you think you are balanced and you will be okay, you can let go your hand, or you can continue holding the chair with your right hand. You can also bring your left hand on your heart, and maybe both hands if you want, or just one hand if you like. One hand can stay on the chair. Great, wonderful. Keep breathing, keep smiling. And slowly bring it down. Great, wonderful. Shake your legs. And now let's start from the left side only, because you're already standing on the left side. So hold on to the chair. If you like, you can come a little closer. Now this time we will work on the left leg. Take your left leg out. And bring it in. Don't touch the floor. Take your left leg out. And bring it in. Don't touch the ground. Take your left leg out. And take your left arm up. If you like, you can let go the chair. You can hold it if you want. It's just for your support. And bring it back. Wonderful. Let's go to the right side. Now, as I said, you can stay close to the chair if you want. If you like, you can stay away. It's entirely your choice for this movement. Okay? Now we'll work on the right side. Take your right leg out. Bring it back. Don't touch the floor. Breathe in. Right leg out. Bring it back. One more time. Very nice. And bring it back. Take your right leg out this time and your right arm up. You can let go the chair if you want, or you can just hold it a little if you like. Keep breathing, everyone. And slowly down. Beautiful, very nice. Shake your legs, everyone. Shake, shake. And please sit down. How's everyone doing? Good?
Good. Very nice.
Thank you very much. Good. Okay. So a little one thing, and then we will do some breathing and we will end the session after that. But before we do that, I want you to go for the forward bend one more time, but this time it's going to be a little different. I'm stressing more on the forward bend because the more flexible your spine is, the longer you are able to enjoy a healthy life. So everything depends on the middle part of your body, which is the spine. Okay, so that's why I just want to go with another movement that concerns your spine. So this time you are going to place your hands on your heart, not on the shoulders, on your chest. And we are not going to use the hands on the legs like we did before. So it's going to be a little different. And this will also, you will also have to use your abs, your belly muscles to do this movement. Okay. So breathe in, try to get taller. Take your head towards the ceiling. When you breathe in, get taller. And when you breathe out, you will slowly drop forward on your legs. Keep your feet nicely pressed on the ground and keep going down. Widen your legs so you can go take your body between your feet. Slowly come back when you breathe in. Breathe out one more time. Widen your legs, please widen your feet so you have space to go down. And breathing in, come back. Now, the third time when we go down, I want you to feel your back with your mind. See what you're feeling and where, in what part of the back, okay? So be mindful of your back stretch when you go down. Breathe in, get taller. Breathe in, come back. Get taller again. And breathe out, drop forward. Breathe in, slowly come back. Get taller again, stretch your spine. And breathe out, get ready for folding forward. And breathe in, come back. One last time, everyone. Keep your feet nicely pressed so you can go down easily. Breathe out, down. And breathe in, up. Beautiful, nice. Okay, so I want you to sit very comfortably now on your chairs, but you will not slouch on your chair. So you will still keep your back straight. You can lean towards the back of your seats and we will go for some breathing movement. Keep your back straight, everyone. Okay, you're going to keep your left hand, your palm turning up towards the sky on your leg, on your thigh. So place your left palm down on your leg. Great. Take your right index finger and press the right side of your nose. So when I say press, it means press. No air goes from the right side. It is completely closed. Now close your eyes and breathe 10 times only from the left side of your nose. Breathing in and breathing out. Very slow breaths. And make sure you're counting the breaths. 1, 2, like this. Only 10 breaths. Slow breaths. Once you complete your 10 times, you will bring your hand down. And this time your right hand will look up towards the ceiling. Place your hand on your right thigh. Take your left index finger and press the left side of your nose. And similarly, we will breathe 10 times only from the right side. It might feel different for some of you, but try as much as you can. Very slow breathing, and make sure you're counting your number of breaths. 10 times, close your eyes. Now keep both hands on your legs, palms facing up. Close your eyes and you will breathe through both nostrils, just like you breathe every day, 10 times. And while you're breathing, take a notice of how your nose and your respiratory tract are feeling now, okay? So 10 breaths again. Close your eyes, hands in your lap. Times only. Beautiful. And slowly open your eyes, everyone. Rub your palms together. And place your palms on your face, on your eyes. Wonderful. All right. Thank you very much for this session. Before we wind up, I want to ask you if you have any questions about what we did. We have a couple of minutes left. So I'm going to leave this for any question answer if you have any concerns.
Super. Awesome.
Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Thank you very much. 1
Thank
hour.
you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yes.
Beautifully done. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Good yoga
Thank you.
practice.
Thank you so much.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
This was a wonderful
Very nice.
Excellent.
Chair yoga
Excellent.
is
Very
good.
nice. Thank you, Rupaji.
Excellent.
God bless
Excellent.
you. Beautiful.
Thank you, everyone. But I'm looking for some questions for me, if you have.
Very good experience.
Very good.
Dr.
Nobody has
Patadia ji.
any questions? Anything you want to ask about yoga or anything?
Something not good, wrong.
How many of you practice yoga at home?
Good information.
Me.
You do? Very
Yes.
nice. Do you do that daily?
Yes.
Yes. Every day.
Okay.
Oh,
In pranayam also. We do pranayam. Breathing
You do
exercise.
pranayam? Very nice.
Yeah.
And all those who do yoga, who just spoke, do you do it on the chair or do you sit down?
No, sitting. I do sitting on the ground.
Oh,
Very good.
Yeah.
Me also, I sit in the ground and do.
oh,
हेलो
very nice.
आ जाओ फटाफट निकलो खत्म होने लगा 2:30 वाली पूरी जो करवा रही है आ जाओ फटाफट आ जाओ
Okay. So was there anything that we did today that you had already done before?
चले जाओ
No, not all of it. Not all of it. There was few different things, and I really like the different approach to different things,
Mm-hmm.
and the way you explained it, like the one hand and one this was different,
Yes.
and doing the head forward, and my connection gone off, and I was waiting for you to say get up, and my connection went away. But then I'm feeling very relaxed after doing that, So
Well, yeah, that was the purpose of this. I just wanted you all to enjoy this session as much as we can. I know we are not sitting in person facing each other. Things are different when we do it in a live class.
True.
But
Yeah.
no, it was great. It was great.
No, it was very good, and thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Priyam, for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
God bless you.
Very nice.
Thank you, Rupa.
Wonderful.
Come again, come again, my dear. Come again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
वेरी
हमारे
नाइस।
योगा गुरु डॉक्टर साहब बोलेंगे
डॉक्टर पटादिया जी।
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज कराई और थोड़ा बहुत प्राणायाम भी किया। एंड ये तो अच्छा है क्योंकि जो चेयर पर बैठकर करते हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा बताया, और जो समझ लीजिए खड़े होकर करते हैं और जो जमीन पर लेटकर करते हैं वो भी इन सारे जो इन्होंने बताया उसको आप खड़े होकर भी कर सकते हैं और लेटकर भी कर सकते हैं। तो इन्होंने जो बताया चेयर पर बैठे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने जॉइंट्स को कैसे फ्लेक्सिबल कर सकते हैं, फिर आखिरी के अंदर थोड़ा बहुत 1-2 मिनट के लिए इन्होंने प्राणायाम बताया कि चंद्र भेदी और सूर्य भेदी प्राणायाम श्वास लेने की प्रक्रिया बताई। तो ओवरऑल इट्स वेरी गुड एंड हम लोगों को फॉलो करना चाहिए, जितना कर सके कीजिए। और अभी जो कोरोना का समय, उस समय तो बहुत जरूरी है कि ये जो फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करें वो तो करें ही, लेकिन इसके साथ जो प्राणायाम हम करते हैं जैसे भस्त्रिका और अनुलोम विलोम, वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। बाबा रामदेव तो कहते हैं कि इट हैज मोर सिग्निफिकेंट देन फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, बट एट आवर एज वी नीड टू हैव फ्लेक्सिबल क्या बोलते हैं जॉइंट्स, फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी, सो वी नीड टू डू दैट एंड कीप इन बैलेंस। बट एट द सेम टाइम मेरा कहना है कि प्राणायाम बहुत जरूरी है, और जो अपनी योगा टीचर थी उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा कराया सबको। एंड इस होप के साथ मैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि हम जो सब लोग आज देखे हैं उसको फॉलो करें। खाली देखने से ही, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आपको किसी डॉक्टर ने दवाई दी, आपको फ्लू हो गया, दवाई दी डॉक्टर ने, और आपने उस दवाई को अपने मंदिर में ला के रख दिया और उसकी पूजा करते रहे और उस दवाई का सेवन नहीं किया, तो वैसे ही अगर हम किसी को योगा करते हुए देखते हैं, खुश होते हैं, लेकिन अगर उसको अपने खुद नहीं करेंगे तो उससे हमें उसका फायदा नहीं मिलेगा। मेरा बस यही कहना है आप सब लोगों को। एंड प्लीज डू योग एवरी डे। अपनी दिनचर्या बना लीजिए, जैसे कि आप सवेरे उठ के नाश्ता करते हैं, नाश्ता करने के पहले आप ये सोचिए कि मुझे योग करना है, उसके बाद ही मैं कुछ करूंगा या करूंगी, then you will find a big change. I am telling you, अगर आप 30 दिन भी लगातार without break रोज करें, and being seniors, there is no excuse for it. अगर 30 दिन के बाद अगर आपको कुछ भी चेंज नहीं आए तो मुझे बताइए, and I can tell you 100% with guarantee that you will find a big change in yourself. Thank you.
ये आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला जी। जब तक आप इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते, खुद नहीं करते, देखने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। इस करके इसको देखना करना बहुत जरूरी है खुद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
तो आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला जी, सो नाइस ऑफ यू, थैंक यू जी।
मैं कुछ कह सकता हूँ डॉक्टर सरवाल जी?
जी जी जी।
हाँ,
गेरा साहब।
रोजिया साहब जी ने जैसे अभी बताया, देखिए हम इस आयु में हैं, अगर मैं एक छोटी सी अपनी पर्सनल एग्जांपल ले लूं, तो जहाँ फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज का सवाल आता है तो स्ट्रेचिंग की, खड़े होकर जितने भी एक्सरसाइज हैं, स्ट्रेचिंग की हैं, बेंडिंग की हैं, टचिंग नी एंड ऑल दैट, then after that sitting on the ground, some yoga, halajan, gomukhasana, and so on and so forth, very, and then this all takes then pranayam. As per Baba Ramdev, pranayam minimum 5 minutes each, Anulom and Kapalbhati each, minimum. Then normally I was doing up to 20 minutes each, but now I'm not, because of aging, all this quantity of exercise is decreasing. So this is number one. Number two, we are so grateful to all these, the programs you arrange from various yoga experts. For example, today's, no doubt I have learned, but will I be able to do it continuously? For that, I require some CD or some, so that proper. Sometimes now, as she's saying, you breathe in, breathe out. Sometimes we do reverse of that. So under these circumstances, I will request Dr. Patodia to throw some light, so that because of aging, the time is also decreasing, and we should be very precise, and because once you are regular in a certain routine program, you can't follow the other program daily. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Priyam, thank you very much. And रूपा जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने बहुत अच्छा करवाया, बहुत अच्छा, काफी अच्छा लगा. Thank you very much.